Friends, we are now in the swimsuit competition. So, isang malakas na palakpakan naman po dyan, ladies and gentlemen.
Maraming may favorite na daw.
Actually, ito ang pinaka-paborito at pinaka-abangang bahagi ng kahit anong pageant sa palagay ko. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Limgas number 1. Limgas number 1 is 19 years old. She stands 5 feet and 4 inches. She tips the scale at 101 pounds. She measures 32, 24, 34.
Stands 5 feet 4 inches. She weighs 110 pounds. The final class of 33, 25.
This time we have Limgas number 3. She is 20 years old, stands 5 feet and 4 inches. She weighs at 103 pounds. Her vital statistics, 32, 26, 34.
She's 18 years old, stands 5 feet 4 inches, weighs 180 pounds, with an hourglass figure of 34, 25, 34.
This time, let's give it up for Limgas number 5. Limgas number 5 is 20 years old, stands 5 feet and 5 inches, and tips the scale at 115 pounds. She measures 33, 25, 36.
Limgas number 6 is 21 years old. She's 5 feet 4 inches and weighs 110 pounds with a balance statistic of 32, 25, 34.
Please welcome this time Limgas number 7. She is 22 years old, stands 5 feet and 5 inches. She weighs 119 pounds. Vital statistics, 34, 25, 34.
Limgas number 8 is 22 years old, 5 feet 5 inches, weighs 124 pounds, and measures 35, 25, 35.
Limgas number 9 is 21 years old, stands 5 feet 4.5 inches. She weighs 110 pounds and measures 31, 23.5, and 33.
Limgas number 10 is 20 years old. She stands 5 feet 5.5 inches and weighs 180 pounds. She measures 34, 25, 33.
Please welcome Limgas number 11. She is 18 years old, stands 5 feet and 5 inches. She tips the scale at 110 pounds. Her vital statistics, 33, 26.5, 34.
Limgas number 12 is 17 years old. She stands 5 feet 6 inches, weighs 119 pounds, with vital statistics of 31, 24, 33.
This time, please welcome Limgas number 13. She is 18 years old, stands 5 feet and 5 inches. She weighs 132 pounds. Her vital statistics, 34, 28, 36. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have once again our first batch of our ladies in the swim room.
Beginning with Limgas number 14. Limgas number 14 is 17 years old, stands 5 feet 6.5 inches, weighs 190 pounds, with vital statistics of 34, 25.5, and 34.
please welcome Limgas number 15. She's 21 years old, stands at 5 feet and 6 inches. She weighs 110 pounds and measures 32, 25, 33.
Limgas number 16 is 18 years old, stands 5 feet 7 inches, weighs 110 pounds, and measures 36, 25, 35.
Please let us welcome Limgas number 17. Number 17 is 19 years old, stands 5 feet 6 and a half inches, and she weighs 104 pounds. Her vital statistics, 32, 22 and a half, and 33.
Limgas number 18 is 19 years of age, stands 5 feet 7 inches. She weighs 119 pounds and measures 34, 25, 35.
This time, please welcome Limgas number 19. She is 21 years old, stands 5 feet and 7 inches. She weighs 132 pounds. She measures 36, 29, 37.
Limgas number 20 is 16 years of age. He's 5 feet 7 inches in height and weighs 132 pounds. Her vital statistics, 34, 25 and a half, 35 and a half.
Up next, we have Limgas number 21. She is 20 years old, stands 5 feet 7 and a half inches, and she weighs 121 pounds. Her vital statistics, 36, 26, 35.
Is 19 years old. She stands 5 feet 7 inches, weighs 129 pounds, and measures 33, 25 and a half, 35.
This time, let us welcome Limgas number 23. She's 20 years old, stands at 5 feet 7 and a half inches. She weighs 120 pounds. Her vital statistics is 34, 24 and a half, 35 and a half.
Limgas number 24. 22 years of age. She stands 5 feet 5 inches and weighs 190 pounds with a vital statistics of 33, 25, 35.
And finally, we have Limgas number 25. She is 80 years old and stands 5 feet and 8 inches. She weighs 142 pounds. She measures 37, 28, 37.
Please welcome back our second batch of ladies in their swimwear. Our 25 candidates in their swimsuit. Let's